Hey, my favorite math students. So today I want to talk to you guys about the agenda for this week. We are in our 7th week of at home. That's crazy to even think about that. We're already 7 weeks into being out of school. Um, but this is for May 4th through May 10th. And so, reminder that obviously on Mondays we always have our Google Hangout meets. So, make sure that your hour you are showing up during your time. And you should know when that is at this point, and where to find that link. Okay, so this week we have 4 parts that we are going to do. The first part is, and again, these are grayed out right now, but they will be available when you're actually watching this. But there are 4 parts. The first part is just for fun. Has nothing to do with math. Honestly, it's just kind of a fun way to connect with each other, and knowing what your talent is. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your Flipgrid. Okay, and obviously you're gonna have to log in with our school, your school email. And when you get there, it's literally just going to, when you get there, obviously, all I want you to do is do a quick, fun video, and you'll have to watch mine. I show you my talent, but just a fun talent. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It could be something crazy, a crazy talent, or silly, maybe, I don't know. It can be anything. Just take a look at my video, and then you can find what my talent is. But I want everyone to do that. Again, this is not a long video. I think mine total showing my talent off was maybe just the talent portion was like 10 seconds. Again, you can make yours longer if it has to, depending on what your talent is. All right. After you do and make your Flipgrid, the next part is actually getting into the math. And so we have 2 lessons this week. Hopefully, again, these lessons are coming to you and they're being very helpful. The first lesson is where I'm going through your book and I'm teaching you guys about a rectangular, or finding the volume of a rectangular prism. And and then I give you guys some follow-up questions if you want to practice on your own, to make sure you're doing it right, with those answers in the end. I'm doing the same thing with part 3. It's another lesson, and this is based on finding the volume of a triangular prism. And again, I give you some follow-up problems to do just to see if you're doing it correctly. So for part 4, again, for your homework, this is going to be your actual homework for the week. I'm not going to do anything crazy with you guys this week. I kind of want to tone it down just a tad bit for this week, for you. And what you're going to be doing, you have 2 options. The first part is you are going to be using your textbook. So again, you should have your math textbook, and you are just going to complete 5 problems for the rectangular prisms and 5 problems for triangular prisms, and take a picture of those and just upload them to me. Now, I did provide you guys the answer key to this, and the part of the reason why I did that was because I want to make sure you know what the correct answers are in the end. But it's not about the correct answers. It's about, do you understand how to arrive at the correct answers? So again, this is for, if you're not arriving at the correct answers, then obviously you know you did something wrong and you need to go back and check that work. Again, you can always go back and look at my videos, my lessons that I showed you how to solve those particular problems, okay? So again, 10 problems total there if you choose option 1. And then option 2 is Khan Academy. There's 10 different assignments in there. I am looking at those, so I want you to get at least a 75% or higher on all those assignments going through them. And if you don't, I want you to continue to retake them until you get a better score. Okay, so those are your 2 options for this week. Again, your answer key for option 1 is down here for those 10 different problems. Again, but you have to arrive at the correct answer by showing all of your work. Okay, And don't forget, those of you who are tracking COVID-19, continue collecting your data. That's important. We will be doing something with that on the last week of the school year with an assignment. So and it'll be hopefully a fun assignment for you in the end. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to email me or get me on It's Learning. Okay? All right, bye.